Aloe vera, often referred to as the plant of immortality, has been cherished for its therapeutic properties for centuries. Belonging to the succulent family, this remarkable plant is characterized by its thick, fleshy leaves that contain a gel-like substance with numerous health and beauty benefits. From skincare to digestive health, aloe vera has found its way into various aspects of our lives, becoming a staple in natural remedies and cosmetic products. Aloe vera, scientifically known as Aloe barbadensis milla, is native to the Arabian Peninsula but is now cultivated worldwide in tropical and subtropical regions. The plant's unique appearance features rosettes of thick, lance-shaped leaves that can grow up to 2 feet long. The leaves contain a clear gel, often used for its medicinal and cosmetic properties, while the outer leaf skin produces a latex with laxative effects. Health benefits. Skincare. Aloe vera is renowned for its exceptional skincare properties. The gel inside the leaves is rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that promote skin health. It is often used to soothe sunburns, reduce inflammation, and accelerate wound healing. Regular application of aloe vera gel can also help moisturize the skin, preventing dryness and promoting a healthy complexion. Digestive aid. The latex derived from the outer leaf skin of aloe vera contains compounds known as anthraquinones, which have a laxative effect. This makes aloe vera latex traditionally used as a natural remedy for constipation. However, it's essential to use it cautiously and under the guidance of a healthcare professional, as excessive consumption can lead to adverse effects. Anti-inflammatory properties. Aloe vera contains compounds like auxins and gibberellins, which exhibit anti-inflammatory properties. This makes it beneficial for reducing inflammation in various conditions, including arthritis. Aloe vera supplements or topical applications may help alleviate symptoms and improve joint function. Boosts immune system. The plant's rich nutrient profile, including vitamins A, C, and A, contributes to its immune-boosting properties. Regular consumption of aloe vera may help strengthen the immune system, providing the body with the necessary tools to fight off infections. Beauty applications. Hair care. Aloe vera is a versatile ingredient in hair care. Its moisturizing properties make it an excellent natural conditioner that adds shine and softness to the hair. Aloe vera gel can be applied directly to the scalp to alleviate dandruff and promote a healthy environment for hair growth. Anti-aging. The antioxidants in aloe vera play a role in reducing the signs of aging. Regular use of aloe vera gel on the skin can help minimize the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines, promoting a more youthful complexion. Cautions and considerations. While aloe vera offers numerous health benefits, it's crucial to use it responsibly. Some people may be allergic to aloe vera, experiencing skin irritation or other adverse reactions. Additionally, excessive consumption of aloe latex can lead to dehydration and electrolyte imbalances. It's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional before incorporating aloe vera into your routine, especially if you have pre-existing health conditions or are pregnant. Aloe vera's long-standing reputation as a healing plant is well-deserved, given its myriad of health and beauty benefits. From soothing sunburns to promoting digestive health, this versatile plant has earned its place in both traditional medicine and modern skincare. When used responsibly and with proper consideration, aloe vera stands as a testament to the power of nature in enhancing our well-being.